Y'all, it is, yeah, I think it's Wednesday. It's a Wednesday. We are heading back to the antique mall. I'm going to take the clothing in that I have here and a couple of the smaller items. Oh, and here's the orange garland during the day. It's so cute. It's a simple Christmas. Clothes are in the booth, and I put just a little small stuff that I brought in. It wasn't much. It was that little clam basket, little wall vase, wall pocket. So those are both in. I completely forgot to bring in a shade for that lamp and a replacement mirror for over here. My mind is mush at this point. Let's walk around and see what we can find. I need to find that little Sailor Jerry lighter and just shop. Let's just see what we can find. Just found the cutest book. You're my friend, so I brought you this book. It's really thin. It's a small book, and it's only $2. It's got all these little quotes in it. True friendship is a plant of slow growth by George Washington. Being a friend to dogs and men is a good day's work. I think this would be just a great little gift to include to a friend. And it's actually a hardcover, and even the original cover looks really cute. And I kind of like it more than I do the protector. All right, so I'm definitely doing this. I still need to go up and see if I can find that Sailor Jerry's lighter. Before we do that, look at this fabulous mid-century booth. One of the only people in here that is mostly mid-century. They always have fabulous pieces. The coffee tables are always amazing, along with the seating and the art, even the glassware. Lion's Head Relics is who you want to look for if you're ever in here and you're looking for more mid-century items. Ooh, what is that? Oh my gosh, there's several things in here that are very interesting, but this is what attracted me. Vase basket, it's huge. It looks like it's got a splatter paint design on it. It's almost as tall as me. Good grief, that is a wild piece. How much is it? $48. There's some other cool things in here too. Isn't that beautiful? It feels lighter than cast iron. It's 120, and it could definitely be cleaned up and rewired. Very gothic. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. I literally just was chatting with someone earlier about hat boxes, and they said they couldn't find one. Well, look at this one. This one's so nice, and it's 14. We have to send them a picture. Look at this. It's 18. They even have it already rigged up and ready to go. I like that. It's nice and chippy. It might be the lighting, but it feels like this white has just like a little bit of a blue tint to it. Cute, cute, cute. She's got really great prices in here. If it's a she, I don't know. I'm so sorry for not a she. This is nice. 18, made in India, brass bowl. So pretty. With a flower frog in there. It'd be great with some flowers. Really nice black frame. A mirror would look great in this. And this is also 18. I don't see a business name anywhere. I don't see any business name or business cards, but the booth is IFV. I saw a very similar set of glasses at Luckett's 2 spring markets ago. Maybe it was a fall market from a couple years ago. And I kind of regretted not getting them. And this set is $14.99. Oh, are they Libby too? But for 15 bucks, I might have to do it. They're just so nice. There's actually this really cute cut glass set over here as well. It's a pair, $16.99. Mental note, those are right here. I actually kind of like this frog too. For $12.99, could do the frog planner. But these are all things for like me, and I'm trying to shop for somebody else. So I have a feeling it's in one of these cases. It's just which one. I'm looking for booth ID ROB.
It says 11th and 10th, but I don't even, like you said, I don't see it on the map either.
Can I just show you real fast what I'm looking for?
The book said 10th and 11th, but I
10th
looked
and
on the
11th.
map and it wasn't there, so I don't know if...
I thought maybe over here, but I'll check back there.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Y'all, I cannot find this booth. I'm having to enlist help. Did you find? Huh?
Yeah.
It's this way?
Expansion area.
Is it just the one? Or
No, here's one.
okay. Oh, I love this little tape dispenser.
Oh, thank you.
That is so fun.
Froggy. Everybody likes my froggy. Thank you very much. And it is sent, and that's all you need.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
I
you
appreciate
so
it. I'm
much.
so excited about it.
Thank
Have
you
Merry
very
Christmas.
much. You too. Thank you.
They're closing up. We ran out of time again. Sold that long, skinny shelf piece with the drawer on the bottom. A great sale. I like it. And I like the look of it. Someone was gonna have to have a very specific space for it. I also need to figure out what I'm gonna do to replace it. Do I wanna replace it with another piece of furniture, or do I wanna hang stuff on that wall? I think I wanna hang stuff on that wall. I have a lot of art that could go up there, and then I could put like a little side table in that spot and like a plant or something like that. I don't know, just throwing out ideas. Will definitely mean that we need to come back again tomorrow or Friday. I think they're picking up that piece on Friday. And I know we've spent so much time in the antique mall, and I hope you guys don't care. I guess I just live here now. I kind of want to give you one of your Christmas presents now. But I gotta go get it.
Uh-oh. Is it big? If it's not big, I don't want it. You're giving me your truck. Gift.
No.
Oh, Lord. It's closed. I know. It's gotta be.
I'm just kidding.
Funny girl. Oh, we're gonna smoke everybody.
But you gotta plug it up.
Does it shoot back?
Put it down the hall.
It plugs in?
Oh, falling into the water trap.
If it wasn't uphill, it would have been great.
That's what all golfers say.
If it had just gone in the hole, it would have been fine. What?
You got a little fabric fold there.
Oh, it is, isn't it? Yeah, see, those are two good putts. Oh, that's... Oh, come on. If I'm gonna hit it through that wall. If I hit it hard, it's not gonna go straight.
Just tap it in.
How about that? I think I've aced this. I think... Next! Here, I'll aim for the sand.
Okay.
Roll that.
This was at the antique mall. This is your thing.
I don't know how to patch drywall. I'll YouTube it. Huh.
Oh!
You were aiming for the water.
I was totally aiming for the water. I just want to show you how to do it.
Oh, second try. You beat me.
Next. Found some shade options. Okay, so I'm not one to save shades unless they're really nice. And I have a few really nice ones, but let me show you the two options that I think would be good for the marble lamp. So I have this one. It's like brand new. It's still wrapped in plastic and it's got a little bit of a design detail. It's not a plain white shade. It's got some interesting style lines. That's the top. I don't think this one's gonna work because of how it attaches up top. The top of the harp has a little bit of a scalloped edge here. I will take both of these in and we'll see which one looks best out of the two. I have other shade options, but not for this lamp. Found this Capiz shell shade at an antique mall nearby. Do I sell it or is this a piece I wait for the right lamp and I keep it? Also, these shades that I have, they're all on the smaller side, at least for these two. This one, I don't think it's the right shade for that lamp. It's a natural paper. I love all the folds in it, but too much texture, too much detail. It needs like, I don't know, it would need a different lamp than the marble one. That's kind of a cool shade. A woven one. I think it's a rattan, but I feel like it would look too different. And not elevated enough. I think the two white options are the better ones to go with. Should I just take it with me just to see how it looks? I'm picturing it in my head, it doesn't look right. It's not gonna work. Mirror options. I totally forgot I had this mirror to take in. Oh no! Well, here's the thing. So I was gonna take this in for the fall reset, and this was actually a Virginia Beach find at the Habitat store there, I think, which we breezed through. There wasn't much there to talk about. I did get that coffee canister there though, or that coffee jar that's missing the lid, but this was there as well. And I love the pine cone detail in the corners, but there wasn't any attachment piece to it, and that's what I was looking for before I took it in, but I think I should just put a price tag on it and take it in. Oh my God, I totally should. And I should put it up in the suitcase with the ornaments. Oh my gosh. All right, taking this in tomorrow. For sure. I literally saved it for months just for the fall Christmas time. And I completely forgot about it. Which means we can put that other mirror back into that one space. And so that saves us a find there. I think that just solved all the problems. Lampshade, mirror, I think that's it. When I was at the antique mall today, another dealer that's in there, I want to say gifted because that's essentially what he did, but I don't know what the technicalities of how this deal worked was. It was all a blur, but basically now I have this really nice mantelpiece that's white, and I have a shelf that's similar to it in my storage unit right now that I love to use for display stuff, but it's really long, so it requires like one of the walls or that really big door wall for it to go on. I have those doors, and that shelf piece that I acquired today would be perfect on the back of those doors. It's like the exact length that I would need. And so I'm thinking about putting that up there. Oh, I didn't even see how I should attach it. That'd be a great place to put smalls, because remember, white shelf sold. Oh yeah, that's what it was. I needed to figure out if I had some options for that. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we are working on fumes over here. Okay, so that tall spot, what could go there? I mean, I do have mirror options. Ooh, I have this one. Ooh, this one could work. Well, one. So this one, that could, am I blurry up close or am I blurry far away? I can't tell. I like this mirror a lot. This one could work. I would just need to clean it up, put a price tag on it. I have this mirror, but it's a long one. Ooh, this would look good on top of that shelf, that mantelpiece. Oh yeah, I need to replace the wire. That's right, it snapped on me. Well, that's an easy fix. Clean up a little, put the price tag on it, but it's this piece. Nice long, with some etched detail on the sides. I don't know if I could get to that. Could I do that tomorrow? Guys, we've spent so much time in the booth. I was really hoping to do more shopping videos. I had like locations in mind. Now we're just spending the whole Vlogmas in the booth. Well, it's an improvement over last year's Vlogmas. I have this really awesome mid-century floor lamp with a marble shelf. It's brass and wood, and I wanted to clean it up before I took it into the booth, and I just haven't had time. Like, I wanted to clean up the brass area because down here at the bottom, do you kind of see it's like not in the best shape? It's not bad. And so that would look really cool there. I could straighten out the ladder on that wall because right now it's actually kind of propped up against the doors and the white shelf. I could straighten that out. I could put that lamp there, and then I could just do some artwork going up that little section. I feel like this shade, well, one of these shades would actually work really well with it, probably. Like this one. No. No. That is not the right one. Doesn't look awful. No. Maybe it needs more of like one of those round. Yeah. No, that's definitely not right. Definitely not right. I don't know. I need to think about it. My stomach's empty and my brain's going, and yeah, I can't focus hardly anymore. Let me think on all this. I have some ideas. It's gonna end up being, I put that shelf up, that mantelpiece. I take this long mirror in. Everything that is on that white shelf that sold, I'll put on the mantelpiece with this mirror, and then probably just disperse at other places, move things around a little bit. Clean this puppy up, and then find him a shade and put stuff on the wall behind him. Speaking of which, let's talk about sales. You guys know my jeans just ripped. More. My favorite jeans. Today's sales. The souvenir violin for $12. Gold basket ornament for $5. The chippy white cubby shelf for $2.95. Bundle of gold ornaments for $3. Another bundle of gold ornaments for $3. Oh, no. I'm sorry. That was just a $3 ornament. Another $3 ornament. And then a star ornament for $4.50. So a $337.50 day. I'll tell you this right now. These sales are great for me. This is not normal. I would love for it to be the new normal, but I have a feeling this is, I mean, it's definitely Christmas spending, holiday spending. And then a lot of y'all come in and shop, and I so appreciate it. But I don't want people to get a false sense for how I guess a general antique booth would do. They're just really good right now. It feels like I'm bragging. I'm really not trying to. I was I'll just keep people updated on sales, like a thing that consistently happens during Vlogmas. It's just been going really well. Oh my gosh, this is day 23, I think. I could just save all of those shopping trip ideas for the new year in 2024. I have so many ideas for videos, and I'm hoping I can do them all, but some of them require a lot of planning, and so it's like, okay, am I gonna do that, or do I need to wait? Do I just need to, like, it could be too much too fast. Okay, I have all these ideas. How many of them do I try to execute on this year, or could I be better at doing in like the future? It's a great problem to have. So many people that make videos, their problem is not knowing what to make, and my problem is picking the best ideas at the right time. I'm really excited. I just need to execute them. That's the only thing. I think I talked myself out.